Hello, in this tutorial we will show you how to create a day cruise. Head to Cruises, Day Cruises and press Add. Write the name of the cruise, select some amenities if you like, add the embarkation and disembarkation points, add the starting and ending time. If the seat is not filled automatically, you can add it manually. As for the booking price, you can choose whether to charge by person or by charging the whole ship for hire. Next, choose an image and add your description. Add the landmarks and choose the cancellation policy. Once you press save, you will be asked if you want to set the availability. This is an important step because if you do not add availability, this cruise will not be shown within the Traveler's app. Let's press OK on this notification. Next, press Add, select the dates, add the capacity and press Save. Now you can see all of your dates that this day cruise is available. You can always set the availability at day cruise availability. Just select the name of the cruise, add the dates and the capacity and press Save. You can also search for a specific day cruise by selecting the cruise and pressing the blue search button.